Good morning, dear students and parents. Today I, Manju Madhan, welcome you all in this online teaching program which is brought to by RAD Group of Schools. I am going to teach class 2. My subject is English and block 1. And my topic is guessing about story. Okay, student, I would like to ask some question to you. Have you ever listened to stories? Yeah, you might have listened to story The Thirsty Crow? Yes. So, what is our aim today? Yes, what is our aim today? Predict a story by looking at pictures. So, what are our keywords today? Predict and picture. What is the meaning of predict? You might have not listened this word. Predict means guess. Guess means अंदाजा लगाना. Means what we are going to do today. Predict a story by looking at pictures. हम story की pictures को देखेंगे और उसके बाद हम guess करेंगे that what is going to happen in this story. Action part, we are going to do one activity. What is that? Watching the pictures and prediction about the story. You will look at the pictures that is given in your content book and you will collect your predictions about the story, what is going to happen, what will happen. In notebook you will make a table like this, what I think will happen, what really happens. You will look at the pictures and you will write your predictions and guesses that what I think will happen means इस picture में क्या हो रहा है and what will happen next in the story. And after reading all the pictures, when we are going to read the story, then you will write what really happens in the story.
Yes, students, look at this picture. Yeah, what do you see here? Yes, right. In this picture, there is a girl. She is sitting on the dragon. And how do they look? They both look happy because there is a smile on girl's face. So they both look happy. Okay, what is written here? This is the name of the chapter, Anya and the Dragon. So this is our block 1. We are going to read the story about Anya and the dragon. So let's take a quick review on this picture, on the story, by reading the pictures. First we are going to read the pictures. Now I will show the other pictures related to this chapter and you will predict the story, what will happen in this story, and you will write your prediction on a chart paper or an A4 sheet. Yes, students, this is the first picture. Yes, look on the heading first of all. What is written here? Anya and the Dragon. This is the name of the story. And this is the first picture. What can you see here? What do you see here? Right, one dragon is there. And what other guesses of yours? It is tied up with the chains and locked up. Now the second picture. In this picture, one girl is there and dragon is there, again dragon is there, and still it is tied up with the chains and locked. And you can guess that they both are talking. And how the girl is standing? The girl is using crutches. Crutches is a kind of tool which the person who they need support to walk, they are using this tool. Now in the next picture, again in this picture, the girl and the dragon, they are talking. Okay, how they are looking? They are happy or sad? Yes, yes, they are sad, they are not happy. They are talking about, and they are it is something serious like. Now in the next picture, in this picture, still they are talking, and here the girl is looking something happy. I think so that they might be having some problem, And here in this picture, they got any idea? In the next picture, yes, if the you can see the dragon is still chained up or opened his chained. Yes, it is open now. The lock is open. There is a key. And the girl is sitting near the dragon. You could you can guess who had opened his lock? Right. This girl had opened this lock. Further moving on the next picture. Here what can you see? Yes, the girl is flying in the sky. She's sitting on the back of the dragon. Now they both are looking very happy. Further moving on the next picture. Here the girl is still riding on the back of the dragon, and a king is there. He is standing in his palace. He is standing and he is looking at the girl and the dragon. Next to the picture. Now the girl is talking with that person, the king, and she is showing the key to the person. Next, in this picture, the girl is looking, she is feeling amazing. बहुत खुश लग रही है. And the dragon is also looking very happy, and they had thrown the key into the pond. Yes. So student, this how you can see the pictures. By looking at the pictures, you can write your guesses in the notebook where you have made the table, your predictions, and what will really happens, and you will write your predictions in that table.
Our next activity is, after prediction the pictures, then we are further moving on the next activity, that is read the story aloud. I will read the story and you will follow the text with your finger in your content book. Now open your content book, chapter 1, Anya and the Dragon. I will read and you will follow the text with your finger and listen it very carefully.
Now students, open your content book, page number 2. We are going to read the story. Okay, first of all, look at the heading. What is written here? Anya and the Dragon. This is the name of the story. And who is the writer of the story? By Soumya Rajendran. Who is the writer of the story? Who is the author? By Soumya Rajendran. Soumya Rajendran is the writer of this story. Now let's start the reading, and students, please keep your finger on the text. In a land far away, there lived an old dragon. He was kept chained in king's palace. Everyone was scared of him. The dragon was lonely and sad. He wanted to fly in the sky. The chains on his feet hurt him. But what could he do? Yes, who was there? Who was living there? Yes, an old dragon. And where was he? He was in king's palace and he was chained. He was tied with the chains. And everyone was scared of him. Scared. Scared means afraid. सब उससे डरते थे. The dragon was lonely and sad. How was the dragon feeling? Lonely and sad. He was not happy. Why he was not happy? Because he was chained up, because he was not free. He wanted to fly in the sky. The chains on his feet hurt him. So he was very sad and feeling lonely all the time. But what could he do? He was helpless. Now in the next paragraph. Late one night, the dragon was sleeping when he heard something. He opened his eyes sleepily. It was Princess Anya. Her left leg was shorter than her right leg. She had to walk on crutches. Yes, what did the dragon heard? Yes, he heard some sound, some voice when he was sleeping one night. So he opened his eyes. Who was there? Yes, right. She was Princess Anya. Her left leg was shorter than her right legs. How was her legs? Her left leg was shorter than her right leg because her both legs were not equal. So when she was moving, she had to take the support of crutches. What is the meaning of crutches? Yes, crutches. You can see in the picture also. This girl is taking. It is under her arms. It is like a tool. Its tops are padded and that rest under the arms to support an injured person while walking. Understood? Now on the next page, will you give me a ride on your back? Asked Anya. She told the dragon how she couldn't ride horses like her brothers did. The king wouldn't let her because of her crutches. I know where the keys to your chains are kept, she said. My father keeps them in his cupboard. What did Anya say to the dragon? Anya said, will you give me a ride on your back? Anya asked to the dragon that, will you give me a ride on your back? She told the dragon she couldn't ride the horses. Why she couldn't ride the horses? Because she is using crutches. So her father is not giving her to permission to ride on the horses. But she likes to ride on horses like her brother. What did she tell to the dragon about the keys? Yes, she told that I know where the keys to your chains are kept. And where the keys are kept? Yes, the keys are kept in Anya's father's cupboard. Now the next paragraph. Aren't you afraid of me? Asked the dragon. No, said the brave princess. You have kind eyes. The dragon smiled. What did the dragon ask to Anya? Yes, the dragon asked, aren't you afraid of me? क्या तुम्हें मुझसे डर नहीं लगता? Then what did the princess say? Yes, she said no. Why she didn't afraid of him? Because the dragon have kind eyes. Now on the next page. That night, Anya went to the dragon with the keys. She took off its chains. Now on that night, the next night when Anya went to the dragon, now she was having the keys of the lock and she took off its chains. She opened the lock and now the dragon was free. Now on the next picture, look at the picture. She's looking very happy now. Yeah, they are flying in the sky. Yes, let's move. The dragon stretched his wings. Ah, it felt so good. They flew high and low. They flew near the moon and over the stars. Now Anya opened his chains. Then dragon stretched his wings. What is the meaning of stretched? Made long or wide without tearing or breaking. Means he stretched his wings. अपने wings को वो लंबा कर लेता है. And then he said that I'm feeling so good, so nice. And then they flew high and low in the sky. They flew near the moon and over the stars. On the next page. When they came back, the king was standing there. I saw you, said the king. Anya was scared, so was the dragon. Yes, what happened when they were coming back from the riding? Yes, the king was standing there and he had seen them. Anya was scared, so was the dragon. Yes, Anya and the dragon, they both were scared when they saw the king was looking at them. Now on the next paragraph. But the king smiled. I have never seen you so happy, Anya. He said, from now on you can ride the dragon. But king smiled. King also smiled. But the dragon and Anya were scared of him. But the king smiled. वो दोनों डरे हुए थे. But king जो है वो smile करता है. I have never seen you so happy, Anya. Yes, the dragon and Anya both were scared of him because they thought that the king would scold them. But the king smiled. He said that Anya, I had never seen you so happy. Now on you can ride the dragon. He had given the permission to Anya that you can ride on dragon. Now in the next. He took the keys from Anya and threw them into the pond. The dragon smiled. He was free at last and he had a friend. Yes, what did the king do with the keys? Yes, he took the keys from Anya and threw them into the pond. Yes, the dragon was happy. Why the dragon was happy? Right, yes, because he was free now and he is also having a friend. Yes, who is his friend? Yes, Anya. Yes, now I want to ask one question is who is the main character in this story? Can you guess? Yes, Anya and the dragon. They are the main characters in this story. Now you can compare your prediction chart also in which you have written what you predict by looking at the pictures and what really happens.
Yes, now we are further moving on analysis. What we are going to do in analysis? I will ask some questions which are based on the story which we have read just now. Yes, what happened in the story? Yes, student, you can guess what happened in the story. And parents, please pause the video and take the answers of your ward and give them the freedom to give the answer individually. Do not help them, do not tell them. You can help them. Yes, Anya and the dragon were both sad at the beginning of the story. Yes, they were sad. Anya was sad now. She was not happy. Why she was sad? Anya couldn't ride a horse like her brothers. And the dragon was chained up in the castle. He was chained up and he was locked also. But Anya had the dragon and they became friends. In the end, neither of them was sad anymore. What are your guesses different from what really happens? Yes, you have made one prediction chart. Yes, in that you have predicted about the story. आपने predict किया था pictures को देख के कि story में क्या happen हो रहा है, what is going on, what will happen next. So, is these predictions were same or different? Yes, you can classify on your own this thing, or some guesses were same and some were different and so on. My next question, did making guesses about the story help us? How? क्या हमने जितने भी guesses किए थे क्या उन्होंने हमारी help की और help की तो कैसे की? Suppose at the first starting you have seen one picture. In that picture dragon and Anya both were happy or sad? Yes, they were sad. Is these guesses can connect what we see and know with what we read. These guesses help us to connect with the story easily. We can connect with the story easily. And my next question is, this is open ending question, students and parents, please let them give their own answer. What do you think would have happened if the king had chained the dragon again? What would have happened? You can think over this question and you can give your answer. Means अगर किंग ने फिर से उसको चेंड अप कर दिया होता then what will happen? फिर क्या होता? So you can guess about this. If the king would have chained the dragon, then the story would have had a sad ending because neither the dragon nor the prince would have been happy. Because the dragon is chained up. If he will not get the freedom, how could be happy? He cannot be happy. So the story would not be an happy ending story, it would be sad ending story. Now it's time for application part. What will we do in this? We will do this in worksheet S1.
Now open S1 given on page number 11 in your workbook. Here one story is given about Parth and Irish. They are playing on the beach and suddenly they found a magic lamp. For when they rub it, one giant genie come out from it, and this genie can fulfill their wish. Now two questions are given here. These questions are based on this story only. First question is, what wish do you think the boys made? Draw a picture and write about your guesses. You can guess what the boys wish was there, what could they ask from the genie. You will write about that and you will draw a picture also. And second question is, what wish would you make if you had a magic lamp? Draw a picture and give reasons. And here you will write, what wish do you made if you would have you would have got the same magic lamp. You will draw a picture and give reasons for it, and that's it.
Yes, at last, now it is time for SW. What do you think will happen next in the story? So, what is our homework today? What do you think will happen next in the story? अगर हमारी story end नहीं होती है, where the story ends on that it was a happy ending. Anya's father has thrown the key in the pond एंड दे बोथ वर हैप्पी. अगर हमारी स्टोरी वहाँ पर एंड नहीं होती, आगे भी चलती है, देन व्हाट विल हैपन इन द स्टोरी? यू विल ड्रॉ अ पिक्चर एंड राइट फ्यू सेंटेंसेस ऑन इट. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.